up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Ryan, Rhea, kailangan may tatlong bagay kayong laging taglay. Ang sabi ni Apostol Pablo, ang tatlong bagay na ito ay mga sumusunod: pananampalataya, pag-asa, at pag-ibig.
Han, this is my gift for you to our wedding. It symbolizes our new and greatest journey as a married couple. A journey that will full of love, laughter, and happiness. I love you, Han. Thank you, Han. Thank you, Han. Tara na. Tara na't mag-travel.
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa magiging misis ko napaka-kalmado. Katunayan, kabaliktaran siya ng lahat ng personality ko. Siya yung dahilan kung bakit palagi akong masaya.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, ang sweet niya, pogi, tsaka romantic. At higit sa lahat, mapagmahal siya sa pamilya at sa akin.
Kung dumating ang araw na di
Hi Han! Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Ang tagal nating pinaghandaan ito. See you later! Mahal na mahal kita.
mahal, wag kang mag-alala. Tandaan naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Kung oras ay nababalik,
Han, ito na yung pinakahinihintay natin na mangyari. Matutupad ko na yung pangako ko sa'yo na sabi ko sa'yo papakasalan kita pagdating ng tamang panahon. Kaya ito na, hintayin mo ako mamaya. Sasaksihan ng lahat yung tunay nating pagmamahal.
ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang
My dearest Ryan, my handsome boo. That's standing here with you is my dream come true. I thank God every day for bringing you into my life. After all the heartbreaks, He gave me you, truly my answered prayer.
memorya ko man ay
To my amazing man, as we start our forever, I have this gift. Thank you for always being there for me. Every moment with you is special, and I'm excited to build our future with you. I love you, Han. Love, Rhea. Han, thank you so much sa gift na to. Gagamitin ko to palagi, araw-araw. At balang araw, ako naman magre-regalo ng relo din sa'yo.
hanggan ang story nating dalawa. Ikaw lang mahal.
Today, surrounded by those who love us. I give myself to you without any conditions or demands, and make this sacred commitment to you and us.
Today, I vow to you to be your home, protector, and your everlasting source of joy and comfort. And I promise to do my best to provide the life of happiness. And I promise to never give up on us, even in the toughest time, until death do us apart. I love you.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula.
I choose you, and I promise to choose you every day for the rest of my life. I'm beyond excited to start this new chapter with you. You are my everything. I love you. This is my promise, now and forever.
Ako ang iyong musika.